Discovery ISS, this is Houston ACR. That concludes the CBS News portion of the event. Please stand by for a voice check from WOFL-TV.
Call us today at 1-800-NEW-LEXUS.
I'd like to read the following statement, but I do so under my own free will. It has come to my attention that NBC sucks. I apologize for
Discovery ISS, this is WOFL-TV. How do you hear me?
So, in summary, NBC bad. Fox, good. CBS great.
We hear you loud and clear. We have some background. Sounds like commercials, though.
Okay. Do you want to try to fix that, or are we able to fix that at all, or? Discovery ISS, this is WFL. How do you hear me? Is that better?
We hear you loud and clear. That's much better.